Hi, I'm Robert Lisatz, and the goal of this video is to give you some basic and also some advanced ideas about stair workouts. There are so many benefits if you decide to do stair workouts, because you can use them to get in shape, to lose some belly fat, then to get great legs if you're a lady, because we men, we don't care about great legs and having a nice ass and this kind of stuff. We just want to have great abs. And what else? I mean, you can even build muscles if you do it the right way, and you can also work on your flexibility using the stairs. But more of that at the end of this video. Beside the fitness and health benefits of stair workouts, I mean, look where I live. It's pretty high, isn't it? And this means I can just step outside my apartment and use the stairs to do my stair workout. So if you're living in a similar place than I do, then use the stairs you have there and do your stair workout. It's for free and it's fun and it's healthy. If you're thinking that stair workouts are for softies, you can make it even harder. Take a gallon of water and put it in your backpack. Oops. Like this. And do the stair workouts with this backpack on your back. I don't think that stair workouts are for softies, so I will do it without it. So let's do it. The most basic way to do a stair workout, at least for me, is to just walk the stairs. This building here has 12 floors, and if I repeat the whole thing for 7, 8, 9 or 10 times, I have a great workout there, and it's enough. But if you're a couch potato, start gradually. Just walk 5 floors and then it's enough. And then the next day 6, 7 and so on and so on. So what I like to do when I'm just walking the stairs is to go through my body and relaxing the body parts that are not relaxed. So I start with my head. I try to relax all my face muscles, and then the most critical part is often here in the area of the shoulders. I try to relax the shoulders, which are often elevated like this, and then I just drop them and relax the shoulders, and then I go and relax my chest, my back, and all the way down. And this is a cool way to learn how to move in a relaxed state, or as relaxed as possible. And this is a really good exercise, and you can benefit from it in all other sports as well. To get to the starting point, you can also use the stairs, and it's the part where you're relaxing and catching some breath. Or you can also use the elevator if walking downstairs is hurting your knees. When using the elevator, don't waste your time and practice the Slav Squat. And of course, you can also use the stairs to run and use the part when you go down to the starting point to recover. And now let's check out some other stuff you can do here on the stairs. So if you want to be safe, fit and prepared, subscribe to my channel, because these are the qualities you need if you want to be a modern day samurai. And as a modern day samurai, you can also use micro workouts to get fit. And you can check out this video at the end screen here right now. See you in the next video. Bye.